Hello. And then this next item we have here is smartphone, a cell phone smartphone. And it's not an iPhone, it's an Android phone. And there's a difference between the two different operating systems. Anyway, let's talk about this TracFone, this Android phone. It's a cell phone, and this is Majesty. It says here the Majesty. This model is the Majesty Pro, ZTE Majesty Pro. So they make different models. TracFone. It's a carrier slash phone manufacturer. So take a look at this, and it's one of the lower price smartphones, cell phones that you can get. But it actually works pretty good. Most of the technology nowadays is pretty well defined, and you can kind of bet on most items working pretty good. Alright, let's open this up, and there's the phone inside right there. And so let's turn it on. There's instructions in here too. Let's see if we can get to those. Let's open this up. Let's take out the little carrier thing. Here's the box. And then let's see if we can get inside here. Let's open this up. Yep, there's all the stuff. There's all the goodies. Like I said, you can get these almost anywhere. Online, on stores, drugstores, department stores. They're pretty available. And it comes with your start guide. Tells you how to start things up and everything. And then here's service guide. And then here's, actually this one actually comes with a free little protection case on it, which is pretty cool. It shows all the features, a little booklet showing all the features of the phone and how to use it. There's that one. There's your terms and conditions of the TracFone. That's pretty good right there. And then it's also got a charger. That's pretty cool. And your little USB charging cable that connects to this. So that's cool. Let's put that aside here. So we're done with that. Again, this is TracFone ZTE Majesty Pro cell phone, smartphone. So let's look at the phone itself. Here's the phone itself right here. This one happens to be black. I guess it comes in white and all kinds of different colors. And here's the model on the back. You can see the model numbers and everything back here. And then it comes with a nice glass front. You can also get protectors for it. This one didn't include one in the case, but you can buy them pretty readily available online. Just select the model and then get the appropriate fit. So let's turn it on. There's an on switch on top there. Just felt it buzz, and it's coming on. As you can see, the screen is coming on, and it is an Android, like I said, and I believe this one comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which is not the newest, but it's also not the oldest. This particular model has a 4.5 touchscreen, 5 megapixel camera in the back, and 2 megapixel in the front-facing camera. And it's also Wi-Fi capable. Let's see as soon as this thing comes back on. I was just reading the things right off the box here, which is what I was saying, you know, all the features, the Marshmallow Android. Alright, so let's look at the phone right here. As soon as it comes on, and there it is. Okay, let's look through some of this stuff really quick here. It says press and hold screen to unlock. So we're pressing it. Okay, so I guess it's unlocked. And there's some stuff on there. You'll see there's already, it comes preloaded with some apps, but you can get some more. Got your typical Google, YouTube, all that comes pre-installed. And you know, that's pretty much the way with Android. It comes with all the Google stuff. So it's because Android, Google is pretty much the developer of Android. We'll go back to the middle screen here. And with this phone, you can check your email. You can check, you know, the internet. You can browse. You can make phone calls, you know. Make phone calls. There's the icon for the phone. And then there's your dialing thing. And you can dial up whatever phone you want to call, you know. Create a new contact. Pretty standard on these phones. But this particular phone is a pretty good deal, you know. It's one of the cheaper ones out there. And what's cool with these too is you can use it as a hotspot. You could configure it as a hotspot. That means if you don't have any internet service wherever you're at, and you have another device or another phone that you want to get the internet on, you can just use this as your hotspot, as your unit, access the internet. So you just make this your hotspot, and then you configure the other phone to find where your hotspot is on here. So it's pretty good. Let's see, this has some apps on here. Yeah, it's got the weather apps, calendar, email. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, it's got music on it where you can actually listen to music, play movies. You can do your settings, Wi-Fi. See, you can tap in whatever Wi-Fi hotspot you want, you know, like I was saying earlier. And then there's, like I said, some of your things. It has all kinds of stuff. It has a sound recorder, so if you want to record on it, you can press this. So right now I'm recording, and you could see the WAV file or the spikes of the recording as it's going on right here. You can see it right there. I'm recording right now, so I'll stop it. Let's see if we can hear it. Stop. Right there. Okay. Saved. So let's see if we can record it. If we can listen to it. Let's see if we can turn up the volume a little bit. There's a volume right there. Let's see. Right there. Okay. Saved. Good. Let's try another one. One that's a little longer. So I'm recording this one. If anything, you could use this phone also too as a voice recorder or a memo to remember errands to do or whatever. This phone hasn't even been activated yet, but still you can use it for some of its functions even without being activated. Like this stuff is all inner apps that are already pre-installed, and you don't need to go on the internet to use them. You can just kind of use them as standalones. It is. Let's play this back. Okay, so we will play it back. One that's a little longer. So I'm recording this one. If anything, you could use this phone also too as a voice recorder or a memo to remember errands to do or what. So there you have it. That's the Android phone, the TracFone ZTE Majesty Pro, as it says so right here in the box. The ZTE Majesty Pro, and you can pick it up online or a local store. Alright, thank you very much.